Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start using email marketing to make money online. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start using email marketing to make money online. Now, most people think that email marketing is dead or it's a thing of the past, but it's being used to this very day by multi-million-dollar companies such as Amazon, Target, Walmart, Best Buy. Now, the reason why they're still using email marketing is because that this method actually works. So for those of you who don't know what email marketing is, it's basically where you're marketing your product or your service through a series of emails to the people who sign up to be on your email list. Now, I'm going to be talking about how you can start using email marketing to make money online in this video. But before I get into that, I just want to first say, if this is your first time on my channel and you want to learn different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into this video. Now, as I mentioned, email marketing is where you're going to be promoting your product or your service through a series of email that you send out to people who join onto your email list. So let me first explain how you would get people to your email list in the first place. So what you're going to do is you're going to create what's called a landing page. Now this is going to be a page where people are going to come to first see a free offer or even your product that you're selling. So this is a landing page, and let's say that your product that you're selling is a weight loss supplement, but you're giving somebody a free offer to entice them into buying your product. So if your product that you're selling is a weight loss supplement, you can be giving them a free guide to maybe healthy recipes that helps them lose weight. So this right here would be an image or maybe a video promoting your free offer. Maybe down here is going to be some text explaining what it is and the benefits that they're going to get when they sign up to receive your free offer. And then below here is going to be a box where they can enter in their email list. So once they submit their email, they're going to click on the button, which is going to take them to the next page where they're going to receive your free offer, which can be the weight loss tips. But instead of having them redirected right there, this is where you're going to promote your product, which is going to be the weight loss supplement. I'll put P for product right now, because you're going to want to, if they're entering in their email to receive weight loss tips, then more than likely they're going to be interested in buying a weight loss supplement. But when people first come to a landing page and they're redirected to a product page, they're not going to buy the first time that they see that offer. And that's okay, because this is where email marketing comes into play. So now they're going to be entered on your email list. So what they're going to do is, since they entered in their email, you're going to be sending them autoresponder emails on a regular basis. So if you guys are unfamiliar with autoresponder emails, they're just a series of emails that you write out beforehand that are going to be sent out to the people who sign up to be onto your email list. So anytime somebody signs up onto your email list, they're automatically going to receive your autoresponder emails. Now, what you're going to want to do is make sure that your emails are related to your product right here. Since they're interested in weight loss tips and you're promoting a weight loss product, your emails should be related to weight loss. It can be something that's going to be telling them healthy eating habits, exercises that help burn the most fat, the best times to eat, things like that. Now, with your autoresponder emails, this is how you're going to convert people who are leads into sales. So whenever somebody opts into your landing page, they become a lead. So that means that they have somewhat interest in what you're offering, but they're not fully decided on whether they should buy your product or not. So that's why it's important to send them emails through your autoresponder sequence that's related to your product or the niche that you're in. Now, the best way to send out emails is to address a problem that the people in your niche are having. So obviously, people who are interested in weight loss, that's what they're struggling with. If you can address this problem and then offer a solution to it, then you're gonna have a higher chance of making sales. So in this situation, your solution would be the weight loss product. You can talk about in your emails maybe a personal story of yours, how you've been overweight and how you lost a certain amount of weight through activities like exercise, eating right, and even trying out weight loss products. And this might be the product that you use to help you lose weight. And if you can convey that in an email, people are going to resonate with that message, and that's going to convince them to buy the product that you're promoting. Now, after you share something like that, that's going to be delivering value to the people that are in your niche, what you're going to want to do is give them a call to action. Now, what this is, it's basically letting them know what to do next, what you want them to do next. It can be something as simple as saying, click here to get started. If you're tired of struggling with the problem, click here to get started. So I would recommend when you're going to create an autoresponder sequence to have maybe at least 5 days worth of emails that you're going to send out to the people on your list. And after that, I mean, you can send out what's known as broadcast emails, or some of them call them newsletters. And if you guys are interested in services that provide autoresponder sequences, landing pages, and even broadcast emails, I'm going to leave links in the description if you guys want to check them out. Now let me go over some tips in order to help you make more sales through email marketing. Because I know a lot of people just create their autoresponder sequence and then that's all they do. They don't do any follow-ups with the people who are on their list. Now, as I mentioned, what you can do is send out broadcast emails, or also known as newsletters. So once your autoresponder sequence is done, after maybe 5 days, if you have emails sent out for the first 5 days, the people on your list are no longer going to receive them. So what you can do is send out what's known as broadcast emails. So this is an email that you send out one time, and you can send it to everybody that's on your list. So this is a good way to still have a relationship with the people on your email list, so they don't forget who you are or what you're promoting or the service that you're providing to them. Now, another tip to help you make more sales with email marketing is to tell a personal story. Tell your story. Tell them the reason why you're promoting your product or the struggles that you had to overcome in order to be where you're at right now. And was it thanks to the product that you're promoting or the service that you're providing? Another tip is to create catchy headlines or catchy subject lines. So this is pretty useful in getting people to open up your emails. It can be something that's going to shock people or something kind of unexpected, kind of like clickbait. Whenever you see clickbait videos like on YouTube or whatever, like, oh, you won't believe what happened to me, or I almost died, or something like that. When you create catchy subject lines, people are more likely to open them because it creates a certain interest and they want to know what's in the email. Does that make sense? Another tip is to tell an entertaining story. So you could be talking about something that's going on in your personal life or somebody else's life that's going to be entertaining. You can talk about like something cool that maybe you went to go vacation in Hawaii because you're making money online and you're working from home, and this is something that's possible when you're in a position to earn 6 figures online. Maybe that's what you're promoting. And the last tip, as I mentioned earlier, is give a call to action, or same thing as a CTA. So basically, every time that you send out an email, whether it's your autoresponder sequence or a broadcast email, you're going to want to always give a call to action. Whenever you're telling somebody a story, maybe it's about yourself or just an entertaining story, you want to relate it to the product or the service that you're promoting. Just simply say, if you guys are interested in learning how to get started making money online, click here. Or if you're tired of being overweight and struggling with weight loss, click here to get started, and just have a link to the product or the service that you're promoting. Well, that's basically it on how you can use email marketing to make money online. I hope you guys learned something new and at least enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, you can check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's basically it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.